Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to use your offhand in Minecraft. All right, as you can see here, I'm currently at the Java edition. Now, when I press right click, it will put these logs, okay? Right click, logs, left click is my pickaxe. Now, to do that, just press E, go to your survival inventory. Now, you're going to want to add in maybe some logs or even some torches, okay? Let's say, for example, we have here, I'm going to go ahead and find torch. I go back to your inventory, add this one to your shield, and then the right hand side should be able to pick your axe or shovel right here. It's up to you. So left click, and then right click. Okay, you can't put two, for example, swords. Let's say I'm gonna move this one. And then I'm going to go ahead and add in some shovel right here. As you can see, you cannot right click. You can only switch by pressing F, but you can't right click. Okay, same goes to Bedrock, but the offhand is more limited in Bedrock. Okay, primarily supporting shields, maps, and totems. Other items such as torches or blocks cannot be directly placed from the offhand without specialized add-ons, but you can go ahead and force it, okay, by using commands. So let's just go ahead and open up Bedrock real quick. Okay, so under Bedrock, as you can see, I'm going to go ahead and equip the diamond sword. And when we go ahead and try to equip the other sword, or gold sword right here under our shield, it can't be done. But we can go ahead and add in some shield, okay, and shield right here, okay. However, to add, okay, or forced use the offhand, well, just go ahead and type down commands, which is /, and then replace item, this one right here, replace item, space, entity, just like so, space at S, which is yourself, space, slot weapon, okay, dot weapon, dot offhand, space 0, space the item name. Let's say diamond underscore pickaxe. Okay, that's it. And then once that's done, just hit on enter. Wait for it. As you can see here, you now have these two. But again, the problem is you can't just use it. We hold shift right here, still can't use it. Right click, nope. Left click, only the sword. Right? But that's just basically it. That is how you use offhand in both Minecraft, Java, and Bedrock. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.